Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. So earlier I spoke about those green arrows. Gas prices are going down effective tomorrow, reversing those increases we've seen over the last few weeks. And some categories, in fact, reaching their lowest since October 2021. A liter of 87 and 90 gasoline will sell for $4.50 less. Diesel and ultra-low sulfur diesel will also go down by $4.50. Kerosene will decrease by $1.91. $1.06 will, however, be added to the cost of propane and butane. Gas stations across the island would add or subtract their various markups and markdowns, and of course that's to the ex-refinery rate displayed on your screens. To some company news now, investors in the public pool for the Image Plus Consultants initial public offer IPO will be guaranteed at least 10,000 of their requested shares. The company, which trades as Apex Radiology, has released its basis of allotment. After the first 10,000 shares requested, only 35.68% of shares thereafter will be allotted. All other groups of investors in the IPO received 100% of their requested shares. The Image Plus initial public offer closed on December 30. The offer was set to raise up to $495.8 million, and it was oversubscribed. The company is to list on the Jamaica Stock Exchange on January 20. Jamaica's net international reserves, NIR, increased in the month of December 2022. At the end of the month, the NIR was $3.98 billion. That's $128.1 million more than November's reserves of $3.85 billion. The reserves at the end of December could cover up to 25 weeks of goods and services. And a Memorandum of Understanding, MOU, has been signed between the Jamaica Business Development Corporation, JBDC, and the Mona School of Business and Management, MSBM. The entities say the partnership is to support the expansion and improvement of micro, small and medium-sized enterprises, MSMEs. JBDC is to provide business support services, while the Mona School of Business will provide technical assistance. The partnership will see groups of graduate students from MSBM assigned to undertake projects for the MSMEs who are part of the JBDC network. Executive Director of the MSBM, David McBean, says the alliance will boost the SME sector, which will contribute to economic development. And finally, Light and Power Company Jamaica Public Service says more Jamaicans are in fact opting for prepaid electric pay-as-you-go meters. JPS says there are now approximately 17,000 prepaid customers on the local grid. The company says between May and November 2022, it saw an additional 1,800 new prepaid customers. JPS's prepaid option allows customers to control how much they spend and the amount of kilowatt hours they use on a prepaid basis. And to our usual financial look at the foreign exchange market, the US dollar is being sold at an average $154.02. $113.60 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $183.90 for the pound, while it's costing an average $168.29 for the euro. The JSE index lost 2,841 points today, while the junior market index declined by 47 points. Among the winners were Paramount Trading Jamaica, Margaritaville Turks, T-Tech, Cargo Handlers, and Palace Amusement. The losers included JMMB Group's 7.25% variable cumulative redeemable preference shares, Epley Caribbean Property Fund SCC, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8% shares, Epley 7.25% preference shares, and Blue Power Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Good evening.